Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm going to share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, so I will try to give you an honest review and unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick and in-depth review of GraceGabrielJewels.com. So this is basically an online shopping platform that provides you with a wide variety of jewelry items. As you can see, there are a lot of products and the pictures being uploaded on their website are of really high quality. But now let's find out what's actually behind those fancy ads. As you can see, they are providing extreme levels, sale of almost 80%. This is a concerning thing about this platform. Another thing that is very harmful for the credibility of this platform is that once I try searching for the reviews of this platform on the malwaretips.com, I got to know like this website and the people selling different items on this platform is pretty much a scam website that engages in deceptive tactics to trick customers into placing orders and handing over their money or sensitive personal information. So this is how these scams website actually earn. And once I tried searching for the domain name information of this website, I got to know it was registered very recently, which is also a major red flag and concerning thing about this product. So in conclusion, I would say you should avoid buying and purchasing different items from this website. And I hope this review was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching the video and hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.